in today's world, if you look your actual age, that itself is healthy,
Mm,
isn't
exactly.
it?
Yeah.
Today's world, we are so corrupted in our choices of food, in our choices of lifestyle, that at 30 we
Yes.
actually look like 40 or 45.
40.
But
Yeah. Yeah.
if
Yeah.
you look like
Exactly.
30 when you're 31, you're doing wonderfully good in terms of your
Mm,
food
mm,
choices and exercise choices.
exactly.
So
Mm.
tell me, generally, what is your routine and what are your good things and bad things, whatever that you do, in order to keep your mental health, physical health alive in this time of COVID?
Yeah. First of all, there is very much important that you should have an inspiration, like anyone from which you become an idol. You want to become a fit like any actor. Suppose that I like Amir Khan, so I want a physique like that. Even though I cannot be achieved that way, but I can try at some point. I can be somehow that I would be good, not in the best, but yes, I can keep maintain my physique so that I can maintain our health and my look. Because we eat food, we do all the necessary activities, and we forget the very important activity that is called exercise. So I commit myself that exercise is so crucial for my life, because we never forget to eat food. So why we skip this exercise? So I just commit myself that I should exercise every day, even though just a 10 minutes, but I will be very constant. I will be consistent. So even though sometimes when I get some ill, I left 3 to 4 days to get recover. After that, I maintain that routine. But I keep practicing that if I eat food daily, then I have to be exercise daily. So I just add on my daily routine that exercise is very important to our life. Like food is important to become to
Yes.
get energy, and exercise is to maintain your body circulation in a good manner. So that's I inspire myself. I saw so many videos of the trainer, so it keeps boost motivational, uh, keeps inspiring me to
Okay.
act like that. Even though when I get bored, I watch some different videos, and then today's generation, there is one app is coming called Cult.tv. You have them, that
Absolutely.
Cult.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
I think
uh,
Hrithik Roshan, that company
yes, yes.
belongs
you
partly
know
to Hrithik
you
Roshan.
know
Yes.
what is the good part, that uh, every day you will find different exercises, and different, if you want different standard, you can select that. So it gives you inspiration. You will not get bored, and only 10 minutes you have to put your effort. That's it. So I was really enjoying, and still I'm enjoying it, because
Oh, is it?
the
Okay.
the content they put that way so that anyone can enjoy. So every age
Uh,
group, they have put a separate content, and according to that you are performing their action, their activity. So just only the 10 minutes, you do not have to give your 30 minutes or 1 hour. So 10 minutes is enough, because they their main goal is to keep your consistency. And if you are become habit, then you will not uh, do any work without the exercise. It will keep you on a habit. So after like 21 days, you will see that you become that exercise becomes the habit of your life. So
Absolutely.
that is the thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
See, now, yeah, you told whatever you told. Absolutely wonderful things. One thing, what I really remember what you told, we never forget to eat our food. In today's
Hmm.
world, there is no question of forgetting to eat our food. We
Yeah.
eat 5 to 6 times more than we want. In fact, seven to
Yeah.
eight times.
Evening
Okay.
snacks, night snacks. Yeah.
Absolutely. I mean, you squeeze in a little toffee, little chocolate here, little ice cream here. So literally every 1 or 2 hours, you're eating something. Now, my
Yes.
thought is, see, exercise can be divided into two: diet
Hmm.
and actual. I'm sorry, health
Uh,
can be divided
Health.
into two:
Two part.
your food
Diet and exercise.
and
Yeah.
exercise. Now,
Yes.
I want to ask you, now in diet, do you follow a particular, there are different schools of thought. Schools of thought means there are different ways of doing it. Some does keto, some does intermittent, some does only carbohydrate. And in exercise also, there are many weight training, there is cardio, there is calisthenics, and there is yoga. Now, when you holistically look at this being healthy concept, what kind of exercise do you follow and what kind of a diet do you follow? Do you go into fat diets or do you go into complete starvation, or what do you do? Diet, what do you follow? Exercise, what
Sorry.
do you follow?
See, every exercise has different impact. I think if you follow any of them, like you follow yoga, you like some certain exercise of a gym training exercise. So you just have to understand what is your area of interest. You like jogging, then keep jogging. You like yoga, you don't know want to go outside, you just want to sit at home and try to do yoga, then that is also completely fine. So first of all, identify yourself, where are you fit on that, all those things. You like on the gym part, you like to walk, you like to jogging, or you like in the yoga mat and you want to do perform your all exercises. So for me, I like running from very childhood. It becomes my the hunger. If I do not run now, then then I think that my day is incomplete. So it becomes the part of my life. So whatever I do, any additional exercise, but I never forget to run or even jogging. So this becomes a very important part. And very interesting thing, I understand the meaning of understand the value of the running when I was tracking on the hill station. Then I realized my my all of my groups are on like 2 kilometers away, and I was just on the top of that. So I was never so the stamina build up because I was practicing this from my childhood,
Okay.
and that's why it becomes the habit of my life. So
Okay,
this is the
fine.
thing.
So, from what I gather from your information, you're more into getting your body into endurance mode, the cardio, the running, the
Yeah,
trekking,
cardio.
those kind of
Yes,
things. Okay,
yes,
now that
exactly.
is the exercise part. Now come to the most important part, diet. What kind of diet do
Diet.
you follow?
Yes, yes. Earlier, I did not understand actually the importance of the diet. But when we start facing issue about the body, like deficiencies, syndromes you are facing, then you realize diet is very much crucial of your body. Then after that, I started researching on my regular diet. What I am eating every day, are are my body is getting all the nutrition from all of the diet. Like we eat breakfast, lunch and dinner, and during this three major diet major food which we eat, are we getting the full all the diets? So we will notice that we are not getting the proper nutrition, and ultimately unless you will find some deficiency like in the coming month or after you turn 50 or 40. So this is very much important. You have to identify from day now. So I start researching myself, and I'm just noticing what are the diets is missing on my regular diet, regular food. So I am just fulfilling that thing from additional nutrition, like the dry fruits.
Uh-huh.
So what are the additional dry fruits I can put, so complete that vitamin, that protein, that vitamin 6, B3 and B9. So I'm just maintaining all the vitamins on my regular diet. Yeah.
Okay.
So that is
So yeah,
I'm
along with having wonderful food, so you also somebody who advocate taking of multivitamins as well. So do you take multivitamins? You named quite a few,
No,
B6,
no, yeah,
B12, and
yeah.
everything.
Actually, like last 2 months, I was suffering for the vitamin D deficiency. My doctor suggested me you should start taking that vitamin D, because you will not get that vitamin D from any of the surroundings. Only that you will get from the sunlight. That is not possible every time that you have to 45 minutes. You have to be there on the sunlight, and then you will get a vitamin D. So my doctor suggested me you should start taking that vitamin D for almost 2 months. Then you will find that you are changing your. You will feel like that your body is reacting very active, proactive. So sometimes we need
Absolutely
to take
wonderful.
some supplements. Yeah, I agree with you. Sometimes we need to take it because we never notice what are the lack of vitamins we are facing. When we find some major issue, then we start checking our body, and then we find, oh, our body is suffering from that vitamin deficiency. Then we start taking that supplement on that time.
Do
So
you
this is
have your
important.
own? Do you have your own choices when it comes to the kind of food that you need to have? Are you a person who believes in eating non-veg, or are you a purely vegetarian person? What are your food choices
Yeah,
in terms of?
actually, earlier I was vegetarian, then I turned to non-vegetarian. When I moved to
Oh,
Delhi, then there is very difficult to survive to vegetarian because you never
huh?
get a chance.
Really?
Yeah, there is possible. No, not in that way. I just want to say that I was living in a group of friends, right? So nobody know how to make food. Like somebody knows that how to cook food. So whatever the food makes, you have to eat it. So sometimes
Uh,
it made like non-vegetarian. You have to start eating. If you will not start, if you will not eat, then you have to be hunger that time. So after,
Absolutely.
because when we start living alone, then that things added on my lifestyle. Have food, have non-vegetarian food. If not possible, then eat vegetarian food. So it is like,
Okay.
yeah, I eat
Absolutely.
both.
I think you overall, holistically, if I look at the complete picture of how you live, I think you're too sensitive about the kind of food you eat and the kind of exercises that you do.
Yeah,
And
it
I'm
becomes
sure that
sensitive.
shows.